Welcome to 4960 North Kilbourn in the North Mayfair neighborhood of Chicago. Hi, I'm Vittoria Logli with Properties Christie's International, and today we're going to take a tour of this iconic Chicago bungalow. Before we head inside, you'll notice this polygonal bay, which is the most distinct and iconic styles of the Chicago bungalow, which we'll see in a minute. As you enter the home, you're welcomed by this beautiful and functional vestibule with a beautiful stained glass window and ornate tiled flooring. Let's step into the family room that invites you to relax and unwind. The beautifully preserved millwork adds character to this incredible space. Notice the custom cabinets, the comforting glow of the fireplace, and the beautifully preserved millwork that adds character to this incredible space. What truly sets this room apart is the abundance of natural light streaming in through all of the windows. And the highlight of the room is this polygonal bay window, adorned with a stunning stained glass, adding a touch of historic charm to this inviting space. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button. As we step into the dining room, you'll notice the tall ceilings, flooded with natural light from plenty of windows. The beautiful wood trim adds an extra touch of elegance to the room, making it an ideal spot for hosting dinner parties and gatherings. Style meets functionality in the bright and airy kitchen, featuring ample cabinets, generous granite countertops, and the convenient walk-in pantry. The back porch serves as a necessary mudroom for all of your shoes, boots, and coats. Completing the main level are 3 generously sized bedrooms and a recently updated full bath, providing comfortable accommodations for family and guests alike. And the surprises don't end there. The unfinished attic, which is the footprint of the entire house, can be finished to accommodate your family's needs. Before we head to the lower level, I'd like you to notice these stunning, solid walnut doors and gorgeous crystal knobs. Descending to the basement, you'll find an additional 1,500 square feet of living space, including a versatile rec room, a laundry area, an updated full bath, and ample storage. This space is a perfect canvas for creating a home gym, media room, or whatever you desire. The lower level also has exterior access that leads you to the backyard and garage. Conveniently located just a few blocks from Gompers Samuel Park, as well as a variety of shopping and dining destinations, this home offers the ideal balance between accessibility and tranquility.